Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to use AI to edit image and add people into photos easily. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser. Here you will search for ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Now upload your image. Click on add photos and files. Here I am selecting this image as a reference image. Click on open. Now ask ChatGPT to add a person. Type a simple prompt, describe the person you want. Add a person. Sitting next to me या फिर standing next to me, wearing red jacket. Then enter. You will see let AI generate the edit. It will creating image for you. ChatGPT edit the image and generate a new version with the added person. It will take only 3 to 5 seconds to download this image. You will see here like this. Once the image is ready, you can download it from this. Now you will see the original image. This is the original image. This is the edited image. If you want to change it to like boy, you can ask them. And that's it. This is how you can add a person to an image using ChatGPT AI easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials, AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.